Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM6 error code 140. In order to do it, that error code indicates a mixing bowl is not in position, so you need to basically put it in position. But before I do it, I'll show you how the bowl should be properly assembled to make sure that assembly is not the issue, and also will clean the contact pins. So first let's talk about the assembly. This bottom part twists clockwise, then can be removed, and then there's the mixing blade. And all these three parts need to be assembled together in order for the mixing bowl to work. So you need to put the blade through, make sure it is properly seated on the inside, then put the bottom part in at about 30-degree angle like that, even further, just so it can go in, then twist it counterclockwise and make sure it lays flat here, and make sure that the blades can properly spin. Be careful with them, they aren't too sharp, but still be careful. Make sure it's just spinning and not wiggling. Now make sure also that this base part is screwed on. And now clean the contact pins on the bottom of your mixing bowl. You can use a microfiber cloth for that, or paper towel. Clean all of them thoroughly, and then put it properly in. Make sure it's properly seated. You can see there's this little cutout for the handle. Make sure it sits in the center, and that should fix the issue. If not, then the last thing is to press and hold on the power button. Wait until your ThermoMix shuts down. Once the screen goes fully off, wait half a minute, and then we'll turn it on. And now, after waiting half a minute, I can press on the button, and that should fix the issue. Make sure that the bowl is seated while you're turning on the device. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.